Hi guys, it's Jamie and welcome back to my channel. I really hope to God that my audio is working. Please, please, little baby Jesus, let it work. Oh my God, please. In today's video, I'm finally unboxing and revealing my RawBeautyKristi Colorpop collection. I have been holding on to this for a little while now. I haven't actually tried on makeup on my channel in a while, so we're gonna do it today. Sorry if it's a little messy. I am not a beauty guru. No ma'am, I am not a beauty guru. I'm
not even close. Seriously, I'm not.
Here it is. Cover up my address. It came in this little box. I got the palette and a lip gloss. If you don't know who RawBeautyKristi is, you've been living under a rock. She just had her baby right before Christmas. I've been a fangirl of hers for years. She's half the reason I started a YouTube channel. She didn't think she was ever going to be able to get pregnant or have a baby, and she got pregnant this year and had a baby. She's had 2 collabs already this year. Her first collab was with Pure Cosmetics. I have that palette as well, and I now have this palette with Colorpop. If you don't know who she is, I highly suggest you go check out her channel. Also, in this video, I do just want to kind of catch up, talk a little bit as I'm doing my eye makeup and testing out this palette. But I do want to just kind of catch up, bullshit, talk a little bit, try out the palette, doing a little RawBeautyKristi look, and chit-chatting with me. Then keep on watching. This is the palette. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got some neutrals, some mauve-y, purpley pinks, and then some greens and blues down here with a black that's called Let It Rain that has a glitter in it. And this evergreen color is so unique. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is so pretty, this one right here. And then this is the gloss. I got the shade Glacier. Oh, cute. It's got little mushrooms on the top of it. I specifically don't have lip gloss on so that I can actually put this on right now. So I'm going to test this out right now. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Wow. Let's bust into this purdy girl. Okay, she's purdy. She's real purdy. We'll try a zoom. If it's too much, I'm gonna zoom you back out, okay? Okay, that's as close as you guys are gonna get, okay? I don't want you guys any closer than that. That's already too close for my comfort. So I think I'm just gonna take this top shade called Puffball, and I'm just gonna run that on my crease. The reason I was off of YouTube for about 3 months was a numerous bit of things. I was not mentally okay, and I feel like a lot of people are very worried about talking about depression or anxiety on YouTube or putting themselves out there. Wow, it's beautiful, you guys. This shade is amazing. It's blending out like a dream. But anyways, I just kind of fell into a slump. At this point, it's hitting October, Halloween time. I was just in a really rough spot, and then some things happened with my family. My uncle ended up passing away in a very tragic accident, and that sent me down an even deeper depression, in a spiral, and he was sadly hit by a vehicle and passed away. It was a complete accident and just very unexpected. He was only 50 years old. His birthday was on Halloween, and he had passed just a week before Halloween. That was just a really, really rough month for me. I think the farther I got away from it, the shittier I felt, and so I was really doing it to myself. The minute I got back on in front of this camera, I felt better. The one thing that made me really happy, besides my children and my husband, the one thing for me that made me happy, I was pushing away. But I'm back and I feel so much better, and thank you to anyone who waited it out with me. I appreciate you so much. Let's move on to the next shade. I'm gonna try this homegrown warmish brown. It almost has a maroon tone to it, and I'm gonna pack that on my outer corner. I really wish I had a mirror in this palette. That's the one little ding I could give it, is it doesn't have a mirror, which is a little bit of a bummer. It's a bit of a bummer, you know what I'm saying? Why do I have an accent? I don't know what that was. Oh my goodness. So here I am now, 2.5 months later, finally doing it. But, it's better late than never, right? Speaking of being late, I am the most untimely person on the planet. I feel like you shouldn't have a date or a time of year to be a better person. I feel like you should be trying to grow and be a better person every single day. So I don't like make New Year's resolutions. I make all year resolutions. If I had to make one, it would be time management, you guys. Like I'm horrible at time. That's not enjoyable either. It's not enjoyable to be like running around panicked like a chicken with your head cut off. And that literally is me every single time. Okay, what should I do, you guys? I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. I feel like I want to take Let It Rain, this black shadow right here. It's got like a bunch of sparkle in it. I want to use it as a liner and like line my eyes, but I'm definitely going to need to get a mirror now. Like I cannot do this without a mirror. Hold on. Hold please. Oh, look at this. It's her other collab. This is the Pure Cosmetics collab. I love this palette. As you can see, I use it all the time. I have not touched the color side yet. It's really cool. It's a dual. But okay, I am going to take the Let It Rain shade. Let's see how this, wow, this is the first time I've like held a mirror up to my eyes. This looks good. Highly impressed. Wow. Very pigmented, blends out really, really well. I like Colorpop. I only have one other palette from Colorpop. My best friend Aspen got me their Sunflower palette, and this is really nice. Oh my god, this is really nice. So how was your guys' Christmas and your New Year? I do have a Christmas like vlog throughout like the week of Christmas. Like we would travel to my mom's house and my kids got to see their Mimi and their papa. We went to my in-laws. My father-in-law got a Santa costume and dressed up like Santa, and the kids lost it. Oh my gosh, they loved it. Well, Charlie wasn't a huge fan. She at first was really excited that Santa showed up, and then I don't know, once Santa wanted to be like, she asked her to sit on his lap, she was like, no sir, I do not know you. It was so cute. So yeah, if you're interested in like a little Christmas vlog, let me know. I would definitely throw one together. My husband absolutely spoiled me for Christmas, you guys. And he is so sweet. He wanted to get me a new laptop so that I could edit. He sacrificed all of his Christmas presents. You know, he wanted to get the upgraded version of like the 16 gigabyte one, and it was an extra $300. So he went to, you know, my family and his family and was like, anything you're gonna get for me for Christmas, don't get it just give me the cash so that I can get Jami this computer. So he sacrificed his entire Christmas to get me this gift. It's the sweetest thing ever. Like, it could make me cry. It's so sweet. And I have me opening it up like on film. He recorded it, like it was a surprise. It was great. He really is a good guy. Whether he wants to have people know that or not, he really is a good guy. He likes to act like he's
tough and stuff.
He's a lover. He's a lover. And he doesn't watch my videos, so he won't see this, so it's not like I'm embarrassing him or anything. I'm gonna take more of this black shadow, and I think what I'm gonna do is like really like smudge it out and smudge out this outer corner and just do like a hardcore smoky eye. That's what I'm gonna do right here. I planned on just doing one eye and then doing one eye off camera, and I'm doing both eyes, so this video might be long. I'm so sorry. I did not think about that. Like, I just started talking and doing my makeup. Wow, this is such a nice palette. Like, I am shocked right now. This is amazing. I know I'm all over the place in this video, but I really just wanted to do like a chit chat, get ready with me, and like talk. So my videos are not all gonna be like this. Like this is not. I'm definitely gonna start talking about my story again. I know a lot of you have subscribed to me to hear my story, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, I am a felon, or you know, an ex-felon now, because I am free. I am finally free. This February will be 6 years, you guys. 6 years in February. I've been out and free and thriving. So I'm debating on either taking Evergreen or West Coast and slapping it inside here, you guys. Which one? Which one? Should I try Evergreen since it's such an odd shade and I don't have a shade like that? Okay, look, you talked me into it. Let's see. Let's try it out. I just put that shadow on my lid. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's green. I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks silver, doesn't it? I mean, like, to me, looking at it right here, it looks silver, but this works. I'll make it work. I might go over it with something else. We live, we learn, you know? That's my motto. So yeah, I want you guys to let me know what you guys are interested in hearing about. Are you interested in me going in chronological order and me starting off like in the beginning? Like, I moved out when I was 16 years old and moved in with a boy, okay? And that's where it all started, all the craziness started. So do you want me to start there and work my way up, or do you want me to just like hit it with a bang? Like, what are you interested in hearing? Are you interested in hearing more about being in jail, the experiences in jail, at least in my state and like in my experiences? Are you interested in like jail experience videos? Are you more interested in what led up to me going to jail? You know, there's a lot to unpack with my life, okay? Like, I am not the same girl I was 6 years ago, or I guess like 10 years ago, but 6 years ago since I got out, it's been completely different.
Whoa.
This is West Coast. It's the gold. We're gonna go in and... Excuse me, ma'am. I guess we're completely covering up the first shade because I did not expect that to happen. It's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. The only downfall of this palette that I can see as of right now is there isn't like a inner corner highlight color really. So I am going to dip in. I'm going to cheat. Pop that on my inner corner here a little bit because there is nothing in the At Forest Sight palette that I can use. And I'm just going to pop a little bit up on my brow bone. This palette too is so amazing. They're both really, really good. But honestly, I feel like the Colorpop definitely has a little bit more blending capability. It definitely like blends and just packs a punch. That gold shade did not come to play. Like, she was like, oh girl, you're gonna use me? You're gonna use me, okay? Like, you're gonna use and abuse me. She purdy. My glasses are broken, so I am stuck wearing contacts regardless of how agitated my eyes are. Like, I know people are like,
why don't you just take them out?
I can't see. I physically cannot see without my contacts or my glasses. Like, I can see about this far in front of my face. That's it. That's all I can see is right here, okay? So it's not like I can be like, oh yeah, I just won't wear my contacts or my glasses. No, I can't see, okay? Like, it don't work like that for me. Well, I'm gonna grab mascara really quick, and then I will zoom you guys in and show you guys how freaking beautiful this is, because it's stunning. And I was gonna put falsies on, but I ain't gonna do that either, because you know what?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
I think it looks fine with just mascara. Don't you? Just lie to me. It's fine. It's fine. This is the look. And yeah, this is it. This is my Raw Beauty Crispy look all complete. It blended out so seamless. I could not recommend this enough, and it's very affordable. I don't know if it's sold out or not, but if it's not sold out, I would highly recommend you getting your hands on one. They are great. I know this review is like 8,000 years too late, but I was really doing it just because I want to support Raw Beauty Kristi because she just had her baby, and because I just love her as a YouTuber. She's half the reason I started YouTube. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try that. I really am just happy I have this in general, but because it's Raw Beauty Kristi, it makes it even better. So maybe it's a little biased, but honestly, if you didn't have her name on this and you just handed me this and I tried these shadows out, the Colorpop formula is so good. It's so good. The gloss, not sticky at all, really smooth. I'm really happy I used my finger to put it on and didn't ruin that wand, because I have a feeling I'm going to be using that lip gloss constantly. The closest lip gloss I've had to that's not like sticky and is smooth like this is the Lunar Beauty lip gloss. I really love the palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was different and weird, but I have some good stuff coming soon. Definitely leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, share this video with your friends and your family, or any of my other videos that are a little bit better than this, but that's okay. If you want to share this one, please just share something. I'd be happy with anything. Just share it on your Facebook or your Twitter, you know. Also, follow me on Instagram. This is my handle on Instagram, and I have a link to my Instagram down in the description box. I would love it if you come follow me over there. Hit the bell notification. I got some really funny videos coming soon and some story times. If you're interested in hearing about my life story, please let me know. Tell me what you're interested in hearing. So yes, that's it, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Alright. Okay, smooth it. Everything. I just dropped it. But that stressed me out. I thought I like ruined it. Oh my gosh. But no, it's just like that. Swirl it around. Hopefully my audio isn't shit. Fingers crossed. Zoom you guys in. Oh no. My camera stopped recording. Of course I did. Okay. I'm going to spill my guts and tell my whole life story, so you think I'm worried if you think I lick a makeup brush? No, don't care. Wow, why can't I talk? Alright.